The PODOLOG ONE. High entry-level performance with excellent value for money. Ideal for the recently qualified, the PODOLOG ONE is small in price, but big in technology and features. The innovative design is combined with ergonomics for all purposes. Soft keys operate the burr rotation speed. And the level of suction. There are 3 memory buttons to save your preferred settings. The multilingual menus are available at the touch of a button. The surfaces are smooth for easy and hygienic cleaning. The drawer for the changing of the filter bags is easily accessible from the front of the device, and the process is super easy. The super light and ergonomic handpiece has an integrated on-off switch. The handpiece allows for versatile working using the overhand grip technique or the pen grip technique. The automatic chuck makes it simple and safe to change your burs. This is the entry-level model without compromise. The PODOLOG ONE is a quality product manufactured in Germany and comes with a 2-year warranty. RUCK, the mark of quality for over 90 years. For more information, go to helmut-ruck.uk.